Did you know that your automatic garage door could be a gateway for burglars? Even with advanced safety features, they are not entirely immune to break-ins. Thieves use various techniques, from brute force to high-tech hacking, to gain access to homes through garage doors. Understanding these vulnerabilities is crucial. One common method is exploiting the manual override. Burglars can use a simple tool like a coat hanger to disengage the door from the opener. Even rolling code systems aren't foolproof. Hackers can intercept signals using code grabbers, gaining unauthorized access. Some burglars rely on brute force, using tools like crowbars or car jacks to force open the garage door, especially if the locks are weak or outdated. Wi-Fi and smart garage door vulnerabilities are another concern. Poorly secured apps and home networks can give hackers remote access. To secure your garage, upgrade to a modern opener with rolling codes, making it harder for hackers to intercept signals. Secure the emergency release cord by installing a shield or repositioning it, making it harder for burglars to access from outside. Enhance physical security with motion sensing lights, deadbolt locks, and reinforced door panels to deter forced entry. Remember, securing your garage door is essential for protecting your home and belongings. Take proactive measures to ensure peace of mind.